How to link Google AdSense to YouTube. So you have completed 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Now you are eligible to apply for YouTube monetization. And in that process you can set up, link and connect your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. And that is what in this easy step-by-step guide I'm gonna be showing. So first of all, log into your YouTube channel using a browser. If you are doing it on a phone, make sure to enable desktop mode on it. Now once you logged in, click on your YouTube profile at the top right and go to YouTube Studio. Now you will be landed in your YouTube channel dashboard, and here on the left section, select on Earn. And in this page you can apply to join YouTube Partner Program. But before it, make sure you have enabled two-step verification. If you have not set up two-step verification on the Google account where your YouTube channel is linked with, then you cannot apply for YouTube monetization. So make sure you enable it, and if you don't know how to do that, I have already made a video on it. I will link that video in the description, also in the cards, you can watch there. Now once you set up two-step verification, in this page, scroll down a little bit and here you will get the Apply Now option. So click on Apply Now. And here you have to complete 3 steps for YouTube monetization to start earning on YouTube. So at first you have to review terms of YouTube Partner Program. So under step 1, click on Start. And make sure you carefully read all these terms of YouTube Partner Program because it is very important. You should know the basic terms before applying to YouTube Partner Program. Now once you read all these terms, at the bottom left, check on this box that you accept the base terms, and to the bottom right, click on Accept Terms. Once you reviewed and accepted the terms, this page will be automatically refreshed and the first step will be done. Now let's move on to the second most important step, which is setting up AdSense account for YouTube. So under sign up for AdSense for YouTube, you can read here YouTube says create a new AdSense account for your YouTube channel or connect an existing account to your YouTube channel. And that is what you need to do. You need a AdSense account for your YouTube channel to monetize and get paid. So here in this step, click on Start. And now here it is the most important step. You will be redirected to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step. And here you will get the option to connect an existing AdSense account for YouTube. And if you don't have any existing AdSense account, then you can sign up for AdSense, and here you get the option as well. And if you don't know, then you can select on I don't know, but I will never recommend anybody to do this. Just don't select that one. So here what I recommend you, if you already have an existing AdSense account where identity and address has already been verified, then you cannot create a new AdSense account for your name. Google will not allow you to do that. So in this case, you have to link and connect your existing AdSense account. But if you don't have one, then you can select on no, I don't have an existing account, and then you have to sign up and set up your AdSense account, and you have to create a payment profile there, and then you can link your AdSense account to YouTube. And for that I have a video how you can create a Google AdSense account, how you can set up your payment profile so that you can link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel just by using your email address and password. And I will link that video in the description, also in the cards. First watch that video if you don't have any existing AdSense account. That video gonna help you to set up your AdSense account and create your payment profile for YouTube. So if you don't have AdSense account, watch that video and complete your setup. So here the best option I would suggest you to select is, yes, I have an existing AdSense account for YouTube or AdSense account. So as I already have signed up for Google AdSense and set up my payment profile, here we're gonna select the first option, yes. And here also Google have clearly mentioned that you can only create one AdSense account for YouTube. So if you already have one and verified your identity and address on it, then you cannot set up a new payment profile for your AdSense account. So you have to keep this in your mind. If you are planning to create more YouTube channel, then you can only link your one AdSense account to all YouTube channel that you have. So now here in this menu, click on Continue. And if you are logged in with multiple Google accounts on the browser that you are using, you will get the option to select your account. So here you have to select the Google account where you have created your Google AdSense account. And if you don't know in which Gmail account you have your Google AdSense account, then I have a video how to sign into Google AdSense where I have shown how you can find your Google AdSense account on your Google account management section. And if you have created your AdSense account with your YouTube channel account, then just select that account. And if it is on a different email address, then you can select on that email address. And if you don't find your Google account from this list where you have created your AdSense account, then here you have the option to select use another account. And you can just log into that account. So now here let's go back. And let me select the Google account where I have the AdSense account. Now once you select your Google account and logged into it, you will be taken to this page, AdSense for YouTube, and here you can see all your Google AdSense publisher account details as you already have created your payment profile. Now here in this page at the bottom, just click on Continue. And here your YouTube channel URL will be automatically added. Now here in this page, you have to click on set up account. Once you do that, now AdSense will automatically redirect you to the monetization section of your YouTube channel. So in this page, don't do anything, don't click on redirect to YouTube, you will be automatically redirected. So just wait. And once you redirected to the earn section of your YouTube channel, this page also will be automatically refreshed and your AdSense account will be successfully linked to your YouTube channel. So that's why I told you to create a AdSense account fast and set up your payment profile, and in this way you can easily connect your AdSense account to YouTube. So make sure you watch that video and set up and link your AdSense account for your YouTube channel easily. Now next, YouTube will review your channel to make sure that your videos comply with the YouTube monetization policies, and they will email you with a decision usually within a month if you are approved or not. There is 99% of chance that you will be approved if you are creating original content on your YouTube channel. Make sure you are not re-uploading other people's videos. If you are doing that, YouTube might not approve your application. And if you are doing everything correctly, if you are creating your own original content, then actually it does not take a month to get accepted into YouTube Partner program. In the most of cases, it actually takes 2 to 3 days. So make sure you keep checking the earn section on your YouTube channel. And once you get accepted into YouTube Partner program, next step for you is to set up and turn on watch page ads for your YouTube channel so that you can start earning money from the ads displayed on your videos. And also for that I have a video, the most important thing that you should do once you get monetized on YouTube. And here you can watch that video. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.